Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Ambitech NC11 Nebulizer Compressor System. This is a nebulizer. Okay, 3, 2, 1. This is a device that is used by a lot of people with respiratory issues such as asthma, sleep apnea, and so on. This particular nebulizer is good for efficient respiratory therapy, effective medication delivery. It is easy to carry and handle. It is also lightweight, and it's also easy to clean and ideal for all ages. It's made in India and is also ISO certified, as it's written over here. Do we have any extra information? It says model is AMBINC11, type compressor nebulizer, nebulization rate 0.2 milliliter per minute or above, particle size mmad 1.3 medication capacity less than 5 milliliter, and gross weight is 1.4 kilos. Over here is written instruction for use: put medicine to the medicine cup, attach the mask to the medicine cup, attach the medicine cup to the compressor tubing, place the face mask over the nose and mouth, breathe through mouth until all the medicine is gone. This is basically a medical device and only for those who have respiratory issues. I will now show you what's inside this box. So there you go. These are the components of this box. We have a instruction manual for this particular nebulizer. Everything that you want to know, it's written over here. You should read this as many times as possible because this is, after all, a medical device. This is used for applying medicine through a tube straight into your mouth and nose. So you have to be very careful while using this. There are certain cautions have been mentioned, like limit the use of device to 30 minutes at a time and wait 40 minutes before using the device again. Do not insert any object into the compressor. Make sure that the nebulizer kit is correctly assembled. What else? Inspect the compressor and the nebulizer parts each time before using the device. Make sure no parts are damaged, the nozzle and the air tubes are not blocked, and the compressor operates normally. Lot of tips here. You should read them. They are very, very important tips here. Now let's take a look at the components here. This is the face mask. As you can see, there are two of them, one for small children and the other for adults or larger people. This is the nebulizer kit. So the medicine goes in over here. As you can see, the medicine goes in through here. This is the air tube with air tube plugs on each side. One plug will go inside the nebulizer kit like so. There you go, and the other side will get attached to the nebulizer machine, the main unit right over here. There you go. The medicine will be stored in this area and then it will slowly go through this air tube. And speaking of the main unit, this is what the main unit looks like. I'll remove this tube for now. This is what the main unit looks like. It's made out of ABS plastic, has this white and grey color scheme, has 4 anti-skid rubber stops as well. This is the power on off button, and this over here is the air filter. You see, this is basically your air filter. Whatever dust particles or germs will get attached over here, which will also mean that this filter will fill out very soon. As you can see, it's really, really small. You see, it's really tiny. So I'm going to put this back here for now. So this will get dirty very soon, which is why you have a pack of 5 extra air filters right over here. That's a great addition. Finally, we have a nearly a meter long flat TPE cable with a 2-pin plug on one end. So how it works is very simple. You put the medicine inside the nebulizer kit over here. You attach the air tubes, one to the nebulizer kit and one to the main compressor unit like so. Next, this mask will get attached over here. And now you're good to go. Now you just have to connect this, start this device and put on the mask. I will not do this because this is once again a medical device. I will not want to damage it on a demonstration, but this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Ambitech NC11 Nebulizer Compressor System. Thank you for watching.